Good morning, everyone. We are from Binanusantara University, and today we would like to discuss a topic about website user interface standardization for the elderly. Before we start, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Brian Juan, and today we're joined by my friend Halit Ali and Martin Timothy Siagian. Okay, let's get started. Introductions. Websites have become one of the most used forms of internet platforms and are used by everyone regardless of age. Most websites today are designed specifically for a younger target audience. This means that the designs are usually minimalistic, have medium to small fonts, user navigation can often be confusing, and the design can sometimes be overcrowded. This overload of information is what keeps most elderly away from using a website. Background. The increasing use of internet technology by the elderly has driven the need to find standardized website designs specifically for them. The aging process causes changes in physical and cognitive abilities, as well as decreased vision and hearing abilities. In facing these challenges, designs tailored to the needs of the elderly can provide a better user experience and ensure that they can easily access online information and services. Literature review. User interface. The first problem is design, where the designs of most applications and websites are still not all older people friendly. With the designs of smaller buttons, color contrast that is either too dark or too vibrant leads to eye strains, and the use of small fonts are the major designing problems. And then this leads to user experience problems. By using systematically by using systematic to identify challenges of user experience for elder, results are then developed by adding another article to summarize the problem. It shows that elderly have issues in using gesture control to navigate around the application. By decreasing the memory load, it helps older people to navigate around the application. And then next will be continued by my friend Alit Ali.
Okay, thank you for Juan. Well, here are some of the main questions. First of all, is how likely are you on using the website? Back, back book. Okay. First of all, we may here are some of the main questions. Like first of all, is how likely are you using the website on your everyday carry? And then the next one, how is your experience on using the website? Is it good enough? Is it bad enough? And then the next one is should be, is it that challenging on using the website, on surfacing the website, looking for something based on what your task is doing? And then the next one, should you reconsider of designing, redesign the website of the design and then the experience? And then the next one, is it that easy for you to explore the website? Okay, next. Okay, here are some the form of survey for the elderly. First of all, we will ask the name and the ages, so we can consider or analysis about which age has the difficulties on using the website. The first questions would be, is the website use the dark theme or light theme based on the website? So is it that difficult for the elderly to use it? And then the next one is font based on the font sizing and the font type. And then the next one is the color contrast. Is it that vibrant enough for the elderly to able to read some of the text at the website? Okay, next. And here are the compilation of the navigation bar and some icons. So is it hard enough for the elderly to able to use it? Like the first one is only the icon, and then the next one is icon and the text, so the elderly can know. And then the last one is just text without the tombol. Uh, and then the last one, as we can see, the right form is for the value, so we can be able to analysis based on number. Okay, next. And then here are the result, and my friend Martin will be continuing.
Okay, thank you. For this number one is about the text in the website. 48.6% just large enough and easy to read. For the next chart is about text with abbreviation. 70.6% users choose text without abbreviation. Next. Okay. For the next chart is color easy to see for the text. 40% choose 40% user choose a little bit hard to read. And for the button, 41.2% choose button with text. Next. The next chart is about uh, the 64.7% choose active button when pressed. And for the next chart is how often user using how feature. 37.1% user use how feature in website. Next. Okay, this is a diagram for how the help feature in website help user. 40% of the respondent is helped by the help feature in website. Okay, next. So for the conclusion, elderly by far are the most user that has problems on using website. The cause of that is lack of information that some website able to display due to small font, abstract shapes that elderly could not recognize, complexity of the website in order to accomplish tasks. To be able for website to be used by all, developers should consider some of the standardization when building a website, not only from the design perspective, but also from the experience perspective. Okay, that's all for our presentation today, and thank you so much for your attention. Thank you.